Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the EE broadband box not working. So the first and the most powerful fix is a full power restart, but it needs to be done correctly. So you need to first of all start by turning off the EE broadband using the power button if it has one. After that, you just have to unplug the power cable from the wall socket. Now, this particular step is critical. You just have to wait for at least 60 to 90 seconds and do not rush this part. The routers store the temporary system data, and this waiting time allows the internal memory and the network session to fully clear. After waiting, simply plug the power cable back in and you just have to turn the router back on. Now be patient, give the router about 2 to 3 minutes to fully reboot. During this time, the lights will blink, change the colors and stabilize. So this is completely normal. Many people think that the router is still broken simply because they don't wait long enough. Now, in the second solution, you just have to check the router lights and you need to understand them. So if there are no lights at all, it means that the router is not receiving the power. In this case, you just have to check the wall socket, try another outlet and inspect the power adapter. If you see the flashing red or the solid lights, this usually indicates that a line or the signal issue rather than a Wi-Fi problem. If the light keeps blinking and never stabilize, the router is struggling to establish a connection with EE's network. So this is going to tell you the problem is likely external or cable related. So you can try these fixes. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.